Jaya International Company Limited, with the help of the development of woodworking machinery, is a company which is devoted to the happiness creation. Owing to the goal of becoming a well-known international service provider of woodworking machinery, we have been fighting for 14 years by now, successfully created some our own brands, such as Z-Car. At present, there are 46 people in the office, with everyone make an effort to bear their own duties and responsibilities. In order to better serve customers, our company implements the teamwork system. In a pleasant and warm atmosphere, team members cooperate properly to advance towards the same goal. We own wide-range product. There are 17 types of solid woodworking machinery and 9 types of panel woodworking machinery. In addition, we have our own factories and technologies and will constantly research and develop new products according to the industry progress. YanTai Lida is our largest factory with long history of 40 years, covering an area of 35,000 square meters. It is famous for the mature process and good quality, with the complete and excellent equipment series, rigorously and orderly. The precision and cost of the machine are guaranteed. Thus, nearly all of our products complies with CE standards, and at the same time, ISO 9001 and 20 national patents have already been acquired. Our tenet is always the same: to create a better life for all customers.